Hello students, we are on the fourth unit of paper 1, that is measurement and evaluation in education. This fourth unit deals with personality and its measurement. Today in this presentation we will be studying about personality, meaning and its concept. Personality is a very interesting and fascinating subject. Everyone wants to know about various types of personalities. Very often we appreciate certain personalities in a society. What are the reasons behind it? What is that which appeals to us in a particular person? Is it his external appearance which attracts us, or his values, ideas, and thoughts reflected in his language, or his style and mannerism of doing something? In fact, we try to focus when we try to focus on the meaning of personality, it includes all these aspects in some form or the other. So, with reference to personality, we will be studying here its meaning and concept, definition of personality, nature of personality, factors influencing personality. Let us now have a look on the meaning of the term personality. The term personality has been derived from the Latin word persona, which means a mask. Masks were usually worn by Greek and Roman actors while enacting plays. Thus, the term personality is used for influencing others through external appearance. However, it is not the external appearance alone. At the same time, it includes both internal and external attributes. Literally, it means just the external appearance of an individual. Psychologically, when we study personality, it implies both internal and external attributes. So, it is the sum total of the ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with one another. Generally, we understand by personality that it is a constantly evolving and changing patterns of one's behavior emerged as a result of one's interaction with the environment. Now let us have a look on what different psychologists have to say in this respect. R.B. Catton says personality is that which permits a prediction of what a person will do in a given situation. J.B. Watson defines personality is the sum of activities that can be discovered by actual observations over a long enough period of time to give reliable information. Alpert's definition is quite comprehensive. He says that personality is the dynamic organization of those psychophysical systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. On the basis of various definitions stated here, we can mark out certain points regarding personality. Firstly, it is the sum total of activities. It is an aggregate of individuals' physical, psychological, and behavioral aspects contributing to one's personality. Observing a person in totality, we can say that whether he is bold and confident or shy and retiring. Secondly, personality is a unique set of traits. Each person differ from the other with respect to his thinking, feeling, and reacting to situations. So these unique set of traits make a personality. These characteristics, personality characteristics, are enduring. These characteristics are lasting attributes. They are consistently observable in an individual's behavior. Next is personality is a dynamic concept. It is ever growing, developing. It keeps on changing according to the situations, and thus individuals make unique adjustment with this environment by consistently growing and developing. An individual make his adjustment to the environment. In coming slides, we will try to enhance our understanding of the concept of personality by reflecting on various points. As we understand, personality is a particular way of behaving which includes overall description of a person. So it is a broad term and can be understood only by studying different assumptions and views of personality. Personality is conceptualized as subjective, objective, and has an organismic view. Personality is subjective as we interpret an individual's personality on the basis of our opinion, our impressions formed by observing the individual. For example, if we observe a child hiding behind a curtain and not coming in front of the guest, we may assess him as shy and reserved, while his mother may have a different understanding of his personality. Personality is also conceptualized as objective, as by focusing on the overt response of the individual, we try to interpret a personality. Whatever we observe in his behavior, in his activities, we label him as such. Likewise, we label a person as aggressive, cheerful, pleasant, gloomy, depressed, etc. Personality has an organismic view. It refers to the inner pattern or structure of an individual, which is very difficult to understand. Apart from external attributes, there is something interwoven within the structure which we cannot observe directly. Personality development does not stop at any point. It is a dynamic concept and so we cannot interpret exactly what a person is exactly is. Let us now move on to the nature of personality. To understand the nature of personality, we must analyze the interwoven structure of a personality. That is, we must reflect on the organismic view of personality. One's personality comprises of his thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It is a psychophysical system. Personality has both internal thoughts, values, and characteristics, as well as external observable elements. Behavior which characterize an individual is guided by his thoughts and feelings. It is a psychophysical system. Both psychological and physical dimensions are integrated together. What we think and feel and how we act are all in harmony. Development of personality structure. Personality is a dynamic concept. It continues to develop throughout. Though personality development at young age is faster and more visible as compared to the later ages, we cannot say it stops. New experiences add to personality and it continues to develop. Personality is relatively stable pattern of behavior. Stability is in a person's behavior over time and across situations. There is consistency in one's behavior. This observable consistency of behavior help us to understand the individual. For example, if a person is always getting angry at small issues, he may be said to be an aggressive person. Next is uniqueness. Though they are observable, consistent trait in an individual, different people have different characteristic pattern, thoughts, feelings, and behavior, which provide them uniqueness. Each individual may be differentiated from the other on the basis of his personality traits. So, personality exhibits distinctive qualities of a person, helps in adjustment of individual to environment. Personality traits helps an individual to adjust with the environment in his unique way. Each man tries to adjust to his environment in his own unique way. And personality is influenced both by heredity and environment. Factors influencing personality. In further slides, we will study about various factors which influence personality. Factors influencing an individual's personality can be broadly categorized into three categories. These are biological factors, psychological factors, and social and cultural factors. Biological factors include heredity, brain, and physical features. Psychologists argue that heredity plays an important role in one's personality development. Heredity refers to the factors that are determined at conception. For instance, physical structure, facial attractiveness, gender, temperament, energy level, etc. If we see children behave exactly how the parents do, or twin siblings behaving exactly the same way and having a lot of common things in their personality, it means that there is some role of genetics or heredity that is determining their personality. Another factor which influences personality is the brain. It is generally believed that father and child adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation, and later differences are the result of environment in which the child grows. Another factor is the physical features, which include height, color, health status, attractiveness. These factors play a vital role in determining one's behavior in social organization. Another set of factors influencing personality of an individual is psychological in nature. These are the psychological factors. It includes motives, interest, attitude, intellectual capacity, level of aspiration, willpower. These factors determine our reactions in various situations and thus affect the personality. For example, a person with a positive attitude can direct his thought and control his emotions, and a person with more willpower will take quick decisions and stand strongly for his cause. So, in this way, psychological factors influence a personality to a great extent. Another set of factors are sociological factors. The social environment or the society in which an individual is born and brought up. It includes the family, school, peer group, neighborhood, community in which to which an individual is strongly exposed. Man is strongly affected by the kind of exposure he has in his social environment. These factors include home and family. Family is the cradle of all social values and attributes. Early childhood experiences of the child have a significant impact on his personality development. Apart from this, child's family's socioeconomic status, education of parents help in shaping the personality of an individual to a considerable extent. Parental attitude towards children also plays a significant role. How they treat the children, the love and emotions they show to children influence a lot in shaping the personality of a child. The school environment plays an important role in molding the child's personality. It is a significant factor as a major part of a child's life is spent at schools. Beside this, his neighborhood, the community in which he is living, also influence the child's personality. Another factor is the culture. Culture in which an individual lives that may involve traditional practices, norms, customs, procedures, rules, and regulations. These all are important determinants of a person's personality. So, these are the sociological factors which help in determining an individual's. Thus, we see that there are various factors influencing and determining an individual's personality. These are biological, sociological, cultural, and psychological. in nature, and these factors influence an individual's personality and develop him into a unique individual. Thank you. With this, we end our video, and